Polite power. Mastering the use of could in passive voice. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're going to explore an important aspect of English language learning. Making polite requests using could in the passive voice. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help us sound more courteous and respectful in our daily interactions. The passive voice is a way of speaking or writing that focuses on what happens to something, rather than who or what does the action. For example, we say, "The cake was eaten," instead of, "Someone ate the cake." In the first example, the focus is on the cake, not who ate it. Now, when we use could in the passive voice, we often make polite requests or suggestions. The basic form of a sentence using could in the passive voice is subject plus could plus be plus past participle. For example, the meeting could be rescheduled. In this sentence, we're not focusing on who might reschedule the meeting, but the possibility of the meeting being rescheduled. This also softens the request, making it more polite. When you're asking someone to do something for you, using could in the passive voice is a respectful way to do it. For example, instead of saying, "Can you open the window?" you could say, "The window could be opened." By removing the focus from the person you're asking to do something, you're reducing the pressure on them, making your request sound less demanding. Let's try transforming some direct requests into polite requests using could in the passive voice. Here's a direct request. "Can you pass the salt?" Can you turn it into a polite request? That's right. You could say, "The salt could be passed." And how about this one? "Can you lend me your book?" Turned into a polite request, it would be, "The book could be lent to me." And there you have it, folks. Using could in the passive voice allows you to make polite requests in a more respectful and less direct way. So the next time you need to ask for a favor, remember this simple trick and see how it transforms your interactions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful. See you in our next English language learning adventure.